Commercial roofs in Sarasota face a unique set of challenges: humidity, salt air, heavy rains, mildew, algae, and more. Left unchecked, these conditions can shorten roof life and lead to costly damage. In this video, we'll walk through what commercial roof pressure washing is, why it matters, and what every property manager or business owner should know before scheduling service. Regular roof cleaning is more than cosmetic. It protects the roof membrane or material, extends service life, reduces repair costs, and improves safety and appearance for tenants, customers, and inspectors. Soft washing uses low-pressure and eco-safe detergents. It is ideal for delicate roofing materials like TPO, PVC, and shingles. High-pressure washing uses strong mechanical force. It can be appropriate for certain commercial roof types, but risks surface damage if not applied correctly. In most commercial roofing cases, soft washing is preferred because it cleans and preserves the roof's integrity. A typical professional service includes inspection and planning, surface preparation, application of cleaners, and rinse and final inspection. Key safety aspects include the use of fall protection and harnesses, proper containment of runoff, and trained technicians who understand roofing materials. Specific business benefits include extended roof lifespan, reduced long-term maintenance costs, improved curb appeal, and reduced safety hazards. Regular maintenance and cleaning help with warranties and insurance claims. Some manufacturers require routine maintenance to honor warranties. When choosing a service partner, ask about experience with commercial roofs, confirm understanding of soft washing versus high pressure, check insurance and safety training, and ask about environmental runoff containment. Get a written scope of work and warranty on cleaning. Schedule service in dry periods or before peak rainy season to maximize cleanliness duration. Commercial roof pressure washing isn't just a cleaning. It's proactive maintenance that protects your asset, enhances curb appeal, and extends roofing life in challenging coastal climates. By understanding the right methods and working with experienced professionals, you can keep your Sarasota property looking and performing its best. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more commercial property care tips. If you're planning roof cleaning for your business, start with a consultation so you can match the right approach to your roof type and goals.